White people, I'm making this video as a plea. We're living in one of the darkest hours of our lifetime. And what you are doing right now is exactly what you would have done when slavery was legal. It's what you would have done as the Holocaust unfolded before your eyes. And it's probably what you've done or not done watching the Gaza genocide. And it's what you're doing right now as ICE agents ramp up across this nation, violently grabbing people, traumatizing families, taking anyone who's brown or anyone who gets in their way. I just learned that my child's school is preparing for this potential ICE action. My child's school is 98% white. It's filled with children and teenagers who are about to be traumatized by armed agents, masked. That is where we are in this country. And let's be honest about the real problem. We have a white people problem in this country. It's not complicated. We don't care about cruelty until it happens to us. And even then, most of us only care if it impacts people we know directly. That means we've lost our humanity. What rule says humane treatment begins and ends with your citizenship status? What moral authority teaches us that brown and black people are inherently less than us? There's no such rule. There's no such authority. This is about systemic racism. We're all the same race. Race was invented to create a hierarchy of who deserves empathy, compassion, and safety, and who doesn't. It was designed to talk about who belongs and who can be discarded. And far too many white people are still living inside this fantasy of some sort of superiority. We are not better than black and brown people. If anything, we're worse, because most of us are doing absolutely nothing right now while this violence happens in our name. And don't insult anyone's intelligence by pretending that ICE is getting the worst of the worst. Give me a break. We all know that's not true. The truth is, we are the worst of the worst because we're allowing it to happen. History is not asking what we thought. History isn't going to care. History wants to know what we did. And right now, all I hear is silence.